What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Princess Rozay, and I'm back with another cooking show. Okay, period. I'm about to make my Puerto Rican style beef stew. Yay, period. Let's get started. First, you're gonna have to clean your meat. That's for one. After, we're gonna use a teaspoon of adobo, a teaspoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of onion powder. You can have any onion powder you want. A teaspoon of garlic powder. Also a teaspoon of oregano. My secret, I'm going to be using a half tablespoon of flour. Not only will this combine all the seasonings together, but it will thicken the sauce. So right now I'm mixing it together and combining it. So I just mixed it all together, and this is what it should look like. My pan on medium high. I'm about to add in a spoon of, this is the one I use, extra virgin olive oil. Right now I'm about to put my meat in the pan. Whew, shit got me. I'm putting my meat in the pan, and I'm going to stir it. Well, right now I'm together. But give me a second. I want the meat to brown, so I'm gonna leave it on one side for 3 minutes. Give it a toss since I did 3 minutes. See how it's good? That should look good already. I got big ass strips, so yeah. So here is my meat. It is almost done browning on both sides, but we're not about to cook it fully. Just watch. But usually I use the green one, but I ran out yesterday because I honestly made this yesterday, but I'm on it again. Okay, mix. Now I'm about to add in my tomato sauce. You can add in tomato paste, but I'm using in 3 tablespoons. Ingredients is adding in 3 cups of water. I gotta do one more. Okay. Salt. Oh shit. Make sure you scrape the sides. Get all those flavors in there together. You feel me? Get all that. Teaspoon. I added a teaspoon of garlic, and I'm about to go in with some salt. I put a half teaspoon of this in there. I use a different one of these, but I'm doing a teaspoon of this as well. Now it's coming to a boil. Once it comes to a full boil, I will put the lid on, let it simmer for 25 minutes. Cut it however you want, but I chose to cut it this way. So now, carrots and the potatoes. Add a good stir. Mix it as well as you can. Gotta get those potatoes in. Carrots, it's juiced up, okay, and blend it in. I should have cut that, but it's cool. Got some long strips in here, but yeah, anywho. Mix as well as you can. We're gonna let this shit simmer. It's done. You see how thick the sauce is? It's because our little secret flour, baby. Love it, look good. But the turn of it. And my rice is over there. So like, comment, subscribe if you fucking with this recipe. I definitely stole it from this other lady. Shout out to her. She definitely put a nigga on. This ain't no boring ass Puerto Rican beef stew. This bitch good. Okay, well, yesterday I made it and I didn't have much sauce because I dried it out. It still tasted good, but I want sauce this time, so I'm about to cut the heat off. Okay, period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah.